you please give a big round of applause to Beena Bharat from India?
My name is Beena Shah, and first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Rex Mon, who has changed our life and lives of millions of distributors around the world with health as well as wealth. Then I would like to thank our parents who taught us that tough times do come in life. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. Let me share a story with you. Before we joined Forever Living Products, my husband Bharat had a traditional business of power looms, and I was a simple housewife. And it wasn't as if we had never seen money in our life. We had seen lot of money in our life. But suddenly my husband suffered a terrible financial loss in our traditional business and life became difficult. If that wasn't enough, we lost both our dad during that time, and it was really difficult time because of certain illness. We lost our dad. To come out of that depression, I went to work for a nursery and playgroup for just $30 a month. And to make both the ends meet, my husband started selling pocketing cloth to the tailors. It was really difficult. Then I started running beauty classes, cooking classes, anything and everything that came our way that could earn us some money. Because for every rupee that we spent, we had to think not once, but twice. And it was really difficult. If our child used to ask for anything, we used to tell him, no, wait beta, we will get it later on. So really life was very difficult. Like this, then my husband started a bookstall on the pavement, hawking motivational books. He stood selling books in the sun and the rain. This was the lowest point in our life. And from then, we decided that something had to be done because Bharat, 3 years passed like this, and suddenly one day my husband had gone for a car deal to a broker, and the broker was talking about Forever Living Products, its marketing plan, to another gentleman, and Bharat was getting bored. Suddenly the doctor said that Forever Bright Tooth Gel helps in the sore throat. My husband first started laughing in disbelief, and then he said, the doctor, why don't you give me a little sample of it so that I can sample it on my wife? She's having a sore throat. Bharat bought the doctor was smart enough. He gave Bharat in a plastic pouch, a little bit, a pea pod size of the tooth gel in a plastic pouch. Bharat brought it home and told me that Beena, add warm water to it and gargle with it. I asked him what it was. Not mentioning that it is a tooth gel, he told me just do it. And like an obedient wife, I did what he told me to do. Next morning, I was miraculously feeling better. Immediately, Bharat rang the doctor up, asking him that he wanted to know more about FLP products. The doctor told him that he was going to the office. Why don't you join me? This was in 2002. Bharat, let me tell you a little bit about Bharat. Bharat, though he has not completed his graduation, but from a young age of 17, he has joined the traditional business of his parents. And he is hardworking. So after sitting in the seminar, he understood the marketing plan and his interest followed him to fill in the distributor application form. Friends, this was the first smartest thing he has done after marrying me. The doctor gave him 3 bottles of aloe, bits and peaches, saying that he could repay him after a month. The doctor was kind enough, And Bharat brought the bottles home and he was trying to hide the bottles under the bed. I asked him what it was. He said, "Don't worry, something it is, don't worry, Beena, nothing of our use." Again I asked him what it was. He said it is aloe vera. As soon as he said the word aloe vera, my mother told him that she wanted it. To deter her from purchasing the bottles, he told her the retail price. Immediately, she still said that she wanted it. Then my mother gave Bharat the retail price of the Bits and Peaches bottle, and Bharat made a profit of $7 of that bottle. And he sold the bottle at a retail price to my mother. So you can imagine, Bharat thought that if he could sell this bottle to his mother, definitely he could sell the other 2 bottles to anyone. And this was the start of our new life, our life with Forever. After sitting in the seminar, Bharat decided that he wanted to become manager in 4 months. And he did just that, friends. We circulated the money from the sale of the first 3 bottles, and in the first month, we did 5 cc. Wow. In the second month, we realized that without the company's training, the product knowledge, we couldn't go ahead. So he used to do retailing during the daytime, and he used to make me sit in the seminars, and I used to sit in the seminars, and whatever I learned in the seminars, I used to explain to him at night. This worked very well for me as well, because it fortified my knowledge about Forever, my belief about Forever. And it was very good because it helped me to explain to him everything what I had learned. Slowly and steadily, our business started increasing, our group started increasing, and CCs started coming in. During the daytime, we used to take home demos, and in the evening, we started bringing the prospect to the seminar. After sitting in the and the CCs started gradually flowing in. We did 20 CCs in the month 2, and we became supervisor. That was month 2. Many people say that their sponsors don't support them. Our sponsor, Dr. Ketan Kothari, was a practicing doctor, and he was just recommending the products to his patient. He was not very active in Forever. But if you have a belief in yourself that you can do it, then definitely you can be successful in Forever. The same thing happened with us. In the month 3, we did 57 CCs and became assistant manager. In the month 4, we needed 63 CCs to become manager, and we did 73 CCs. For Bharat and me, this was not only the milestone of achieving the manager level. Friends, it was the stepping stone to our new life, our life with Forever. Dream big, and your dreams do get fulfilled in Forever. There are no limits to what you can achieve in Forever. If you decide that you want to achieve anything in life, you can definitely achieve it, because there are no limits. We did that only. We started taking demos, and we taught by example. All our downlines and team members, we showed them by example. We told them that every day brings with it an opportunity. All you have to do is grab it with open arms. In the month, in the same way, we slowly and steadily, our business started increasing. And one day, we decided that this is just manager. We have to move ahead. So we started increasing our group. We started taking home demos, and in the process, we became manager in 2000 and senior manager in 2005. In 2009, we became soaring manager, and we achieved the earn incentive level, all the 3 earn incentive level. If you want to be successful, you have to share it with your team. You have to understand what the needs, the requirement of your team members, because if you help them achieve their dreams, in the process, it will help you achieve your dreams. Friends, from 2007 onwards, we have been qualifying for profit share as well as international travel. 2007 till date, we have achieved $100,000 in profit sharing alone. For us, this year, from 2008 onwards, we have been qualifying as number 2 distributor in personal and non-managerial CCs. This year, for last year's business, we have come as number 1 distributor in personal and non-managerial CCs. All this was possible only because of our team. Because teamwork is very important. You have to take care of your team. Without our team, I wouldn't be here today. It is thanks to our team, our success line, because of which we are here today. And I am representing my team over here today. 2011 started with a very good start. We got a call saying that not only we have qualified for profit share, but we have qualified to attend the World Rally in Vienna as a top distributor. The super bonanza for us is the travel to Malaysia, Vienna, Austria, and Washington DC, as well as Silver Coast Rally in Bahamas. None of this would have been possible without our guru and inspiration, Mr. Rex Mon. Thank you, Mr. Rex. Thank you, Mr. Greg. To achieve success, you need a good coach. Our coach is our country manager, Mr. Amarjeet Ubi, who has evolved us, who has refined us, whose training has motivated us, and I am here before you, speaking before you. Then all our uplines, a special thank to Mr. Simon Davidson. All our team members who are more than a family to us. All our parents, our mothers whose support has brought us here today. Our son who patiently waited on not having me around while we laid the foundation of our business in Forever. Friends, last but not the least, I can't forget to thank my husband, Bharat Shah, who brought the small pea-sized size of a tooth gel in a plastic pouch, which was the turning point in our life. Which was the turning point in our life, friends. And as I said, without teamwork, you can't achieve anything. I would say that teamwork begins from your own home. Husband and wife, if they work as a team, you can see what it has brought us. I'm here before you, beginning as a number 1 distributor in Forever, in open house CCs. Friends, this is just the beginning. Like this, I would say, still we have a lot to move ahead. Still, we have lots of dreams to fulfill, because in Forever, you have lots on offer. It is up to you where you want to go, whether you want to fly like an eagle or whether you want to be a chicken. It is all in your hands. Your belief and your burning desire will take you wherever you want to be. And today, friends, I am proud to say that FLP has changed us forever. And it has evolved us. Friends, as I said, tough times don't last. Tough people do. We are among them whose life has changed forever.